Alright, let's make some perpendicular lines. Perpendicular. Alright, first, there are two ways to make perpendicular lines. Alright, first let's draw two line segments, or two lines here. Let's make them segments. Let's put dots on the end. Leave this A and B, this one X and Y. Alright, now the difference between these two segments will make our perpendicular line. The one on the left will have a dot on the line, okay? And then the one on the right will not have a dot. It will be off the line. Alright? So, first, the left. We take our compass. What we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and we're going to put our point on the dot there, and let's make an arc here. And again, what you do on that side, you also have to do on the other. Okay? So that means my point now here is, I'll make that C. Point C is now the midpoint of my arcs here, the two arcs here. Alright? So now what we're going to do is, on those 2 points, the new points on the line here and here, we're going to open up our compass a little bit. Either you make your mark up top here, the other side do the same thing, or you can go to the bottom. Again, so the mark here from the arc did earlier, boom, and then other side, boom. Alright, now these intersections of those two arcs, this point here, let's label that D, and this point here, E. Okay, if I connect all three of those points, they should form a 90-degree perpendicular line. Yes, 90 degrees. All right, now let's look at the figure at the right. We have X, Y, and a point not on the line. Let's label that point Z, so you know what I'm talking about, the point Z. All right, we're going to put our point of our compass here on Z. And when we do this, let's make sure that our compass is past the distance from the point and the line. So I'm going to go out a little bit, and let's make a nice smile, okay, where this should be 2 points where our line intersects, here and here. Or let me make it another one here, because this is a little off there. Let me go in a little bit and use this line here and this line. If I can get it right. That's better. Alright, I'm going to go with this point here and this point here. Okay? Now, just like you did over here to the left, see those 2 points? These are my 2 points I'm going to use to find my point so I can draw my perpendicular line. So I put my point there, and I'll make a mark, my little arc there. I do the same thing here. And again, I can do that from the bottom or from the top. Here, move it to the other side, and the same thing. And again, these intersections of the 2 arcs, that one's top like it's a little bit off, but this should form my perpendicular line. That looks like it's a little off. Try it again. Yeah, it was off. Y'all see that? I was off a little bit there. Put dot here. Try the bottom. Right here. Alright, and if I put my protractor down, you can see my second marking is a little more accurate than my first. Yeah. Alright, there we go.